Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, 9:30. At the office. I went through my daily routine. I found some deals online. I ordered some stuff. So we have those merchant fulfilled items that are going to be. They're gonna go out Monday because I have the time during the weekend to go through them. And we got also this little boxes. Finally, the shipping labels. Finally, and also I got some more shelving units. So I'm gonna try to build a new system for my merchant fulfilled items, so it'll be easier and more organized. We had basically the slowest day we ever had on eBay and also on Amazon. Nothing too much, to be honest. I think I sold 3 items on eBay since I left the office yesterday. So not too great, but the weekend just started, so hopefully we'll pick up, during the weekend. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna build the shelving units, and I'm gonna list some items on eBay and Amazon. Also, I'm gonna do a photo shoot session and take more pictures of the apartment 56 we bought from the auction house and list them on eBay. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I finished both of the shelving units. I finished building them. So now I need to go and list some items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and also I'll pull a little bit. I'll pull some items for Amazon FBA, because if I'm not mistaken, they opened the gates again, so you can send stuff FBA again. Yeah. So. I'll pull eBay orders later today, and I'll also list. So right now I'm gonna pull a few items for Amazon FBA and see how it goes. So it's actually 3:40, and what I've been doing is just creating a new shipment for Amazon FBA. I also packed. I got about 400 items, and I got a split shipment. So I packed 2 of the shipments, and the big one, which is about 300 items, I'm gonna pack tomorrow. But that's what I've been doing so far, and I still need to list on eBay, to take some pictures for eBay, and to list merchant fulfilled items. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I did nothing besides going through my my inventory and deciding what should I ship FBA. I did some research on the listings and I created a shipment. That's why it took me so long. So I'm gonna go do the other stuff now. So I listed about 100 DVDs, very good to good condition, not the best, but they had really good ranks and also pretty valuable oldies. So yeah, they're not on any streaming services, so probably they're pretty wanted. And now I'm gonna go and list some eBay. Take pictures for eBay, and then list a few. Department 56, it's pretty easy. You just search by the item's serial number. Each set has a number, so it's pretty easy to do the research. So yeah, I'm gonna take a few more pictures of Department 56, so I have something to list on eBay, and we'll see how it goes. Good morning, it's Sunday. So for the past hour I went through some emails and did some online research, trying to find some items and new relationships, and yesterday I did film some stuff, but it wasn't worth as a standalone video, so I'm combining the 2 days. Basically what I did yesterday is just creating a new FBA shipment and taking some pictures. I took some pictures for eBay, and basically that's it. So it was a very, very slow weekend. Tonight also, nothing too much. So even though it got better during the night, it's still very slow compared to usual weekends. So right now we have on eBay 11 items that are going out. We have one item going out on my second eBay store, another protein shake or whatever it is, and we have 37 items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, which is from Friday noon till now, so it's not a lot at all. And yesterday I also listed about 100 DVDs. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and pack the big shipment for Amazon FBA, and then I'm gonna deal with all the eBay and Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items that got sold and pack them also. Okay, so I'm done. I packed 20 boxes, big boxes, and they're gonna be picked up tomorrow morning. So now I'm gonna pull eBay orders and also Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders. So right now we have 15 items on eBay and 39 on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and my first return request, which I'll check later. So I'm gonna pull the orders now and see what's sold. So I picked everything for eBay. This is another shake, protein shake from our second store. This is the 5th one we sold, and we have I think 2 more, and we're making about $30 to $35 each. On our second store we got Deadpool minifigurines, Uncanny X-Force, Fast Forces. We have the Crow, what do you call it, coasters, 6 coasters. This is cool. We got this from the auction house, and we sold it. We bought it in a big lot. It had a lot of different things. It's going first class, and it sold for almost $13. We got this. I never heard of this movie before, and it's new and sealed. So I don't know what's going on with that movie, but we sold it for $88. Yeah, I don't know. We sold a flight simulator for like $20. We sold another Hummel, where is her picture, for like $30 in a box. We sourced this Limax. We sourced it over, I think, a year ago, and they barely sell. So I think this is the 3rd sale we had, and we have a box full. And this is a set, and $20 we got for both of those. Still, we're making money, right? But, you know, slow movers. We sold a starting lineup that we got from the auction. We got it for $1. We sold it for like 12. Also, auction house. Randy Johnson. Sold for 24. Paid less than $1 for both. Got this from the auction also, just a cool pedestal, like a gargoyle or something. Sold for 50 with 20 shipping. That's cool. Dirty Harry collection, DVD collection, sold for 20, something like that. Star Wars Power of the Jedi big figurine, it sold for 24. And another board game, Justice League strategy game, sold for 50. And a shirt we got from the auction house, I think, also. Super Bowl, right? Yeah, Giants versus Bills. I don't know. Not into American sports so much. And we sold this. This is really, really cool. This is Sunstreaker. Old Transformers Sunstreaker. So this is the Transformer itself, and it comes with the manual and also the original stickers, kind of. So yeah, that's a nice sale. We sold it for nothing in here, right? We sold this one for $30 free shipping. So, oh, and we sold this Star Trek attack wing Valjean, maybe I'm pronouncing it right. 4 of those we sold for, I think, 9 each. So yeah, so I'm gonna pack those and I'm gonna continue to Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items. So I'm done with eBay. Everything is packed and labeled. Now I'm gonna pull Amazon orders and I'm just gonna pack them and print the shipping labels tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I have about 42 items going out. Still slow, relatively slow. So those are the DVDs and CDs that are going out. And I also got Amazon to Amazon flip that I found with Keepa for something in the beauty department, and we're making like $20 from each one, from each unit. We're netting $20 from, at least $20 from each unit. We have like 15 more units. We sold 3 or 4 units already. Yeah, we paid 10 and it sells for like 40 or something like that. So I'm gonna pack those now and add it to my previous pile, if you see there. Previous Amazon Merchant Fulfilled pile. And that's it. Hopefully next week will be better. FBA will be better for sure because more stuff are coming in, and I'm gonna list more on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled during the week. So I'm gonna pack those right now. So while I was finishing packing all the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders and some more orders came in, we sold 2 more items on eBay. We sold an expansion card card bundle for Warhammer 40,000, and also another monkey figurine that we got off the auction for $40. With $9 shipping. It's really small. It's like this big. I'm gonna go get it. So this is the game that sold, and this is the small figurine, and it opens up. It's kind of cute. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil, right? It's kind of cute. We got this from the auction, one of the auctions we went to. That was an online auction. We got all sorts of monkey lots. As I said before, we didn't pay much for them, but both of them sold for about $40 each so far, so that's going good. So I'm gonna pack those two and add them to our pile. So both of them are packed. I'm gonna go print them shipping labels for tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna just organize here a little bit and head home. So those are the 43 Amazon Merchant Fulfill orders that we got during the week from Friday noon, and those are all eBay's. One sale from our second store, and the rest, I think 20, from our main store. Relatively slow weekend. Amazon Merchant Fulfilled is just my second weekend, which is okay, pretty good. I mean, compared to the inventory I have, I don't have much. I have like, I don't know, 1,000 items, and most of it are super slow moving CDs, so it's pretty good. So that's it. I'm gonna list a couple of items on eBay that the Department 56 items that I created yesterday, and head home. It's like 5 o'clock, so 5 p.m. So I'm gonna head home. So that's it for today. Tomorrow another week. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you later.